Hey guys, Bradley from Beachbody Project. So this is one of the most important things of transforming our bodies I'm going to talk about today, and it's mindset. And you probably hear this a lot, and you don't know quite what it is and you don't fully understand it. I'm going to make this video short because I'm going to go into this really in depth in the video series we're going to do. So what do we mean by mindset, and how do you transform your body? Why do people succeed and why do people fail? And it's simple as having a real clear goal sometimes. So if you come to me and say, look, I want to get in shape, I mean, it doesn't mean too much. I mean, what is in shape is, do you know what that is for you? Have you got an old picture? Great if you do. If you know your weight, your body fat, great. But if you're just saying, I want to get a bit fitter, we've got to break this down into a smaller goal, a more measurable goal. So if you came to me, say, Bradley, I want to be, 8% body fat. I want to be 81 kilograms. I want to have, 16-inch arms. We can get you there because we can measure you now, and we've worked out a plan to take you there, and that's what the program's designed to do. Drop body fat and increase muscle. So that's, setting yourself a goal that's measurable. And if you don't know what body fat is and weight it is, we can simply sort of measure your waist and say, right, I'm 37 inches now, and then in 2 weeks you do it, you've lost an inch, then you go, right, I want to be 34 in 2 weeks, and you really start getting in touch with these goals, and it's kind of an obsession. You'll get obsessed with these goals, and that's what pushes you on. So when you're tired or hungry and you don't want to go to the gym, you want to eat this, your friends are going out for beers, you're like, you know what, if I go out, I know I'm going to be hungover tomorrow, I know I'm going to eat a load of crap, and that 34 inches, that day drinking or eating that meal is going to put me back 2 days. So my goal of getting to 34 inches by, say next Tuesday is going to be, nearly impossible, whereas if I stick to the plan now, I'm going to hit it. And guys, trust me, this is the most valuable thing I can ever tell you. When you have the body you want, and you're stood there in the body you want, and you look back what you went through to get there, I guarantee you'd have went through 4 or 5 times the pain for the feeling you have when you stood there looking great, feeling confident in yourself. Because trust me, until you experience being really happy with your body and, kind of wanting to show it off, impressed by it, that feeling is, it's indescribable until you sort of have that. So that's the sort of mindset stuff we're going to cover inside in a lot more detail, because it's huge what you can go into to, build this willpower word people says, because willpower isn't, everyone doesn't have a set amount. You've got to build it, and trust me, it's really easy to build when you actually understand what willpower is. Topping it up every day and, using a bit of it. But anyway, I said I'll keep this short, so there'll be, on the video series, there'll be a lot more on mindset because it's so important to get us through. Anyway, that's all for me today.